Hi and welcome to PubPharm's tutorial video. So this video is dedicated to the drug target disease network inside our drug overviews. If you want to know more about the overall service, the overall drug overviews, click on other tutorial video. So let's directly jump into the network view. In the center, we see the search drug. So in this case, paclitaxel. And then we have three levels. On the first level, we show targets, so associations between this drug and this target, for example, and that this interaction or association is mentioned in around 182 publications. The second level shows associations to other drugs, so these can be co-indications, but this can also be interactions, for example. On the third level, we show associations to other treatment associations to diseases. So paclitaxel may be used to treat these ovarian neoplasms. In the small brackets, we show the clinical phase. So this association is likely in phase 3. So this information is given from ChEMBL to us. Let's say you want to know more about a certain association, then just click on the edge or just click on the node here. Let us click on this edge here, and then you are forwarded to a search on the narrative service, and then you can see the actual publications which support the statement, and you can click on provenance information and so on and so on. Let's go back to our drug target disease network again. So what we can do here, we can click on the network, we can move it around, we can also adjust the number of associations which is shown. So by default, we show the top 6 associations to targets, drugs, and diseases. So top 6 means the 6 most frequently mentioned associations from the research literature. You can also increase this number, let's say to 7 or 8 or 9, but you see sometimes the network can be a bit messy because too much information is shown. If you moved the network away and you want to center it again, you can just click on the center button and then you will be brought back to the default view. If you want to see more information or have a closer look, you can also enable this full screen mode, and then the network is shown in the full screen mode. If you want to go back to the service, then just click on the close button and you come back to the network overview. So why should you use this? This network allows you to quickly see which are the most frequently mentioned associations to other targets, to drugs, and to diseases. So this should help to get you an overview about what the drug is doing in the literature or how the drug is used in practice. Thank you so much for your attention.